Indian youth today are suffering so much, under so much pressure, so much uncertainty, so much confusion. I don't need to go into detail. You all know very well about your struggles. I can simply suggest an easy technique which will help you calm your mind and get your life on course. It's so simple, you may not believe it. What is it? Just chant the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the maha mantra, the great mantra for delivering our mind, for delivering our soul. It's so easy, you might think it's too easy. How can something so easy be so good? Just try it and see. All you have to do is to put a little time aside every day, less scrolling, more chanting. Chant this maha mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, over and over again. The best thing is to get a japamala with 108 beads and chant slowly, carefully, attentively, prayerfully, best in front of a picture of Krishna, Radha Krishna. You can offer some incense and pray. Open your heart to Krishna, knowing that Krishna is supreme. Krishna is our best friend. Krishna is in our heart. We are eternally connected with Krishna. And whatever problems we have, Krishna is ready to help us, as he helped the Pandavas and Prahlad and me. I'm also a witness to Krishna's mercy, and so many others. You young people can also get together, chant this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra together in Kirtan. You can at least try it. There's nothing to lose. Of course, it's not that suffering began with the youth of today. Suffering is always part of this world. But the solution is also there. If you want philosophy, if you want answers to all your questions, you'll find it in Lord Krishna's teachings in Bhagavad-gita. Arjuna was perplexed. Why is there so much pain? Why am I in this terrible situation? Why does there have to be suffering? Krishna gave him the solution. And the solution doesn't mean that Krishna comes and cleans up all your problems, but he gives the understanding by which we can face the problems which are inevitable in our lives. We just have to understand Krishna is supreme. I am his eternal servant. We have to take shelter at Krishna's lotus feet. And the best way to do that, especially in this Kali Yuga, and Kali Yuga means everything's crazy, everything's getting worse and worse and worse. But the great thing is, in this Kali Yuga, we have the facility to chant the holy names of Krishna and link directly by Bhakti Yoga with Krishna. And this chanting of Hare Krishna ultimately leads to much more than relief from suffering. Simply to get free of suffering isn't all in all. Chanting Hare Krishna takes us to the highest spiritual bliss of Krishna Prem, pure love of Krishna. And some youth may say, well, I'm not suffering, I'm okay, everything's fine. Good for you. But you can't avoid suffering. Birth, death, old age, and disease are just what material life is made up of. But you can add Krishna to your life. Krishna is already there in your life. You just have to wake up to the love that he is pouring on you. And skeptics will say, this is all imagination. There's no such person as Krishna. There's no God. It's all stories. Or they'll accuse Krishna in so many ways. But all the greatest saints in India's ancient spiritual tradition accept that Krishna really is real. Krishna is not a hallucination. Krishna is the ultimate reality. Krishna is our supreme loving friend. And he reveals himself to devotees who sincerely pray to him. So we should turn to Krishna. Simple solution to all suffering. So this is advice not just for the youth of India or for the people of India, but for all people everywhere, in all times, places, and circumstances. Although Indian people are more fortunate. That means most of them in previous lives had some connection with this spiritual culture of Krishna consciousness, directly or indirectly. But anyway, my advice to everyone, doesn't matter. We're all jiva, we're all part and parcel of Krishna. Doesn't matter, Indian, young, old, black, white, green, whatever we may be. Turn to Krishna. This is the best advice. Chant his holy names. Krishna will help you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.